Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The Xiaomi Track Socket Set is an innovative and professional solution for power management, combining a sleek, minimalist design with smart functionality. It is not a traditional power strip but a versatile system for organizing and controlling power for various devices. The core of its design is a modular rail that allows users to freely slide and position individual outlet modules. These modules include both standard AC sockets and USB ports with 33W fast charging capabilities. The system is highly capable, supporting a total power load of up to 8,000W and 2,500W per module, making it suitable for even high-performance electronics. Control is centralized through the Xiaomi Home app, enabling users to remotely turn modules on or off, schedule operations, and monitor power consumption. The device also features a built-in 3.2-inch touchscreen for quick access to information and a presence detection sensor that can automatically activate outlets when someone enters the room. Available in 3 different lengths, 50 cm, 60 cm, and 80 cm, to fit various spaces, the Xiaomi Track Socket Set is a practical addition to any office or home. It exemplifies Xiaomi's smart home strategy of providing affordable, connected devices that seamlessly integrate into a single ecosystem. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.